Hello, welcome to U.S. Immigration Updates. The H.R. 6442 bill, also known as the AR 6542, has emerged as a groundbreaking initiative in the realm of U.S. immigration reform, signaling a potential shift away from per-country quotas. In this comprehensive analysis, as we navigate through the proposed measures, we will look into the intricacies of this legislation, exploring its aims, potential impacts, and the labyrinthine legislative journey it must traverse to become law. If you are interested in any of these topics, please stick around till the end of this video for your immigration updates. If you are liking this video, please hit the subscribe button where you like this video and click the bell icon, so that you can instantly receive any new updates right on your YouTube homepage on your smartphone or smart device. Now let's get into the video and discuss it further. The H.R. 6442 bill, also referred to as the AR 6542, is a pioneering effort in the field of U.S. immigration reform, indicating a possible departure from per-country quotas. Within this extensive examination, let's look at every aspect and progress one by one. Understanding the AR 6542 bill. The AR 6542 bill stands as a testament to the ongoing efforts to overhaul U.S. immigration policy, specifically targeting the elimination of per-country quotas. Introduced as a companion to Senate S. 39291, it represents a significant stride toward dismantling the burdensome per-country quota system that has left countless immigrants in limbo. Goals and potential impact. At the core of the AR 6542 bill lies an ambitious goal: the elimination of per-country quotas. This move has the potential to revolutionize the landscape of immigration law, ushering in a more equitable and efficient system. The bill's proponents argue that such a transformation is not only necessary, but also long overdue. Eliminating per-country quotas is expected to address the persistent issue of long waiting times for immigrants, providing a glimmer of hope to those caught in the bureaucratic quagmire. By leveling the playing field, the bill envisions a system where immigration is based on merit and need rather than arbitrary country limits. Navigating the legislative maze. To comprehend the full impact of the AR 6542 bill, it is imperative to understand the complex legislative process it must undergo. From the initial introduction to the potential signing into law, the journey is fraught with challenges and scrutiny. Legislative process steps. The legislative process involves meticulous scrutiny by the Judiciary Committee, potential amendments, and votes in both the House and the Senate. Each step is crucial, and the dynamics between the two chambers play a pivotal role in determining the fate of the bill. Understanding these legislative process steps is essential for anyone keen on grasping the intricacies of U.S. immigration reform. It goes beyond the surface-level discussions and encourages a deeper exploration of the mechanisms that shape immigration policy. The role of advocacy. As history has shown, the success of immigration reform often hinges on the level of community support and advocacy. The AR 6542 bill is no exception. Proactive engagement with representatives and senators becomes a linchpin in the legislative process, amplifying the voices of those directly affected by immigration policies. Drawing from past advocacy lessons, it becomes evident that sustained engagement with congressional stakeholders is vital. The challenges faced in previous reform attempts underscore the need for a strategic and unified approach to advocacy. The community's involvement can significantly sway the course of legislative decisions. Beyond the bill, recent developments and policy updates. In the ever-evolving landscape of U.S. immigration, recent developments have stirred discussions about incremental changes. Experts suggest that expecting a significant increase in green cards might be unrealistic given the current political climate. Instead, there is a growing emphasis on advocating for incremental changes over the next few years. Incremental change advocacy. The concept of incremental change advocacy revolves around making smaller, impactful amendments to immigration policy over a defined period. Rather than waiting for a perfect bill, proponents argue for addressing specific issues and gradually building a more inclusive system. By setting achievable goals and advocating for incremental changes, Supporters of immigration reform aim to avoid the pitfalls of waiting for a comprehensive overhaul. The discussion extends to the importance of balancing the pursuit of broader reforms with the immediate needs of those impacted by the existing system. Anticipating priority date improvements. One area that draws significant attention is the anticipation of priority date improvements. Experts speculate that if proposed changes pass, there could be a phased reduction in wait times, bringing relief to immigrants waiting for green cards. The analysis suggests a potential timeline for these changes, offering hope to those navigating the complex immigration process. Visa renewal updates and practical considerations. A crucial aspect of the immigration landscape involves staying abreast of visa renewal updates and understanding the nuances of related policies. Recent changes in the U.S. visa renewal process, particularly the exclusion of dependents, warrant careful consideration. Domestic visa renewal policy shifts. Recent updates in the U.S. visa renewal policy, with a specific focus on domestic renewals, have raised questions about the exclusion of dependents. Analyzing the rationale behind this decision is essential for individuals navigating the renewal process, as it directly impacts family considerations. I-94 updates, unraveling the mystery. The I-94 update delay post-extension approval has been a common source of confusion. Delving into the reasons behind this delay and its implications for extension applicants sheds light on a critical aspect of the immigration process. By demystifying this mystery, individuals can better navigate the intricacies of extension procedures. Post-employment challenges, assessing options after job loss. Job loss, especially in the context of immigration, presents a myriad of challenges. This section of the analysis explores the various options available to individuals facing job loss, weighing the pros and cons of filing for a B-2 visa for extended stay versus opting for a change of status to H-4. Strategic decision-making. The discussion on post-employment challenges delves into the strategic considerations individuals must make based on their unique circumstances. Filing for a B-2 visa offers temporary relief, but may not be the most suitable option for those uncertain about future employment. On the other hand, changing to H-4 status presents a more stable long-term solution, particularly if the spouse's H-1B status remains intact. Looking ahead, the landscape of U.S. immigration. In conclusion, this comprehensive analysis spans the spectrum of immigration-related topics, from legislative initiatives like the HR6542 bill to practical considerations in the face of policy changes and individual challenges. The HR6442 bill represents a pivotal moment in the ongoing saga of U.S. immigration reform, offering a glimpse into the potential evolution of immigration policies. As we navigate the complexities of the legislative process, advocate for change, and address the immediate concerns of those affected by immigration policies, the future of U.S. immigration remains a dynamic and evolving landscape. The collective efforts of communities, policymakers, and advocates intersect at a critical juncture, shaping the trajectory of immigration reform. This exploration not only sheds light on the intricacies of the HR6542 bill, but also serves as a guide for individuals navigating the multifaceted realm of U.S. immigration. By understanding the legislative nuances, advocating for change, and staying informed about policy updates, individuals can actively contribute to the ongoing dialogue surrounding immigration reform. In the ever-changing tapestry of U.S. immigration, each development, whether incremental or transformative, contributes to the larger narrative of a more inclusive and responsive immigration framework. As we reflect on the implications of the HR6442 bill, we recognize the interconnectedness of individuals, communities, and policymakers in shaping the future of immigration in the United States. That's all we have for you in this bulletin. I hope you found this video useful. We will continue to keep a close eye on the developments, U.S. immigration-related updates, and will publish new videos when there are more updates. The U.S. Immigration Update channel provides all necessary visa information and procedures for your U.S. immigration journey. It is important to understand the United States immigration processing steps, visa application requirements, processing times, forms, fees, and more. We will continue to provide all information about U.S. visitor visas such as B1 and B2, work visas such as L1A, L1B, and H1B student visas, green cards, immigrant visas, EB1, EB2, EB3, EB4, and EB5, and family immigrant visas. Thank you for visiting us today, and we'll see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe channel for more U.S. immigration update videos.